Hi lovelies, thanks for visiting my channel, and today I'm going to do a Lohri look, and for that I'm prepping my skin with the moisturizer. I'm using Oriflame one over here, and after using my moisturizer I'm priming my skin with the primer. I was using Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow, and after priming I started off with the peach corrector that was from the K Beauty, and after applying the concealer I was blending it out with my concealer brush, and now I'm going to use the foundation. And for foundation I'm using Dior Forever 24-hour matte stay, and after blending it out evenly all over my face I started off with my eye makeup. And with that I'm going to do a very subtle look with minimal eyeshadows. For that I'm using the lightest shade and a little bit darker on the crease, and after that I ended up with a little shimmer. And now I'm going to apply kajal and my eyeliner, and now I'm going to give it a smudged look. And for that I'm using a concealer brush, and after that I'm setting it with the matte eyeshadow to give that smudged and sharp look. And now I'm going to apply the concealer at the high points of my face. And after doing my concealer I always do bronzing like this, and then I start blending it out evenly, to have that not very crisp look but a subtle and shiny glow. And after blending all the concealer over my face and leaving the bronzer area, I'm applying blush, and this one is from the Rare Beauty, my favorite blush. And after that I'm gonna blend it with the foundation brush only, and I use foundation brush more than the beauty blender. And now I'm going to set my powder with hourglass powder and with my sponge, not sponge basically, it's a puff. And after that I'm outlining my lips. I always outline no matter which lipstick I'm wearing, I always use a lip liner. And now I'm using my favorite lipstick from MAC, Meher. And now I'm defining my eyebrows, and I'm gonna skip the lashes this time, so we are going to use the mascara, and this one is from Maybelline Skylash, my favorite. This is my fifth mascara. And now let's style my hair using the Dyson Airwrap, this lovely gift from my husband. And let's get ready. It gives me the perfect salon style blow dry look. And here I'm ready wearing my favorite suit. And I hope you guys like this video, and I'm getting back to YouTube and making more tutorials for you guys. I hope you're gonna love it. Thank